Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Math Murli. We are continuing with our revision series, and in chapter 1 we are there and episode 4. That means some more problems are left regarding LCM and HCF. That and all we will be covering today. Okay. See the first question, what is there? LCM is 9 times the HCF. Sum of both is 500. Find the HCF. First question is LCM is 9 times the HCF. Sum of both is 500. Sum of both is 500. Find HCF. This is the question given. You please read the question once. LCM is 9 times the HCF. Sum of both is 500. Find HCF. See, this kind of problems how to do is solution. LCM is equal to, what is the condition given that you write? LCM is equal to 9 times the HCF means 9 into HCF. And next condition is sum of both is 500. That means LCM plus HCF is equal to 500. This implies replace LCM with 9 HCF. 9 HCF plus HCF is equal to 500. This implies 10 HCF is equal to 500. This implies HCF is equal to 500 by 10. So HCF is equal to 50. They are asking to find HCF only. So HCF is equal to 50. Like this you have to do. This is one more model. Am I clear? I already told you many times, wherever you find difficult, you please pause the video and go through the problem there and afterwards continue with the video. Clear? Regarding next question. This is very important model. Find LCM of 12, 16, 24. Find LCM of 12, 16, 24. Leaves remainder 7 in each case. Find LCM of 12, 16, 24. Leaves remainder 7 in each case. See, one trick I will be telling you, you see, for finding LCM or HCF, whatever it may be, 3 numbers is given and 3 reminders is given means starting only you have to subtract and afterwards you have to perform either LCM or HCF. If 3 numbers is given and only one common remainder is given means first you have to perform either LCM or HCF. Afterwards, if remainder is given, that remainder you have to add to the answer what you got. Clear? Then see, first you have to find LCM for 12, 16, 24. What is LCM for 12, 16, 24? Prime factors for 12 is 2 square into 3. Prime factors for 16 is 2 power 4. Prime factors for 24 is 2 cube into 3. Correct or not? 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So 16 can be written as 4 into 4. 24 can be written as 8 into 3. Like that I wrote. Now LCM. What will be the LCM? See the common bases first. Common base is 2 and non-common base is also there, which is 3. Okay. Then highest power of 2 is 4. Highest power of 3 is 1 only. So 16 3s is how much? 48 will be your LCM. After getting LCM, you should not stop here. Sometimes in options also you will be having 48. You should not keep 48 as answer. An extension of the question is given, leaves remainder 7 in each case. So therefore answer is equal to LCM plus 7 it has to be. What is LCM? 48 plus 7, that is equal to 55. Answer is 55. Am I clear regarding this? Answer is 55. This is regarding second question. Very, very important model. You please be careful while doing that kind of question. After getting LCM answer also will be there in the option. Most of the people will tick the LCM and all. So, extension of the question is there. Leaving remainder 7 in each case. If leaving remainder is given, that you have to add to the answer what you got. See, if 3 numbers is given and 3 reminders is given, that is different model. If 3 numbers is given and only 1 reminder is given, that is this model. This you have to be careful. Am I clear regarding this? Next question. 2 numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and their LCM is 180. Find HCF. Third question. 2 numbers are there. 2 numbers are in the ratio. 2 numbers are in the ratio 2:3 and their LCM is 180. Find their LCM is 180. Find HCF. This is also one of different model. Ratios they are giving and they are asking ratios they given of the 2 numbers, and afterwards what they given? After ratios they are given LCM also, and they are asking to find HCF. See how to find HCF? Solution. Whenever numbers ratio is given, make it as normal numbers and all. When ratio is given, how to make it as normal numbers? For example, let A comma B be 2 numbers. A is equal to 2x, comma B is equal to 3x. Like this you have to write. Let A comma B be 2 numbers. Okay. A is equal to 2x, comma B is equal to 3x. LCM is given. How much it is given? 180. Okay. Now see, A into B, product of 2 numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. This we know, right? Product of 2 numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Substitute here, what we will get? 2x into 3x is equal to LCM is 180 into HCF we don't know. Write it as HCF only. We have to find HCF, right? Here you have to be very careful. Why? Because 2 variables are there. X is one variable you have to find and HCF is another variable you have to find. So that is the reason. Little trial and error methods like that you have to use. 2 into 3 is what? 6x square is equal to 180 into HCF. 6 table it will cancel 30 times. This implies x square is equal to 30 into HCF. This implies x square I can write it as x into x, right, is equal to 30 into HCF. X into x is equal to 30 into HCF. comparing. See, x square is equal to 30 into HCF you got, okay. So here you should get a proper number, means your HCF has to be perfect square. Your HCF multiplied with 30 has to be perfect square. So if you compare, or else if you compare, see, x is in x place you are having 30 and another into is there, another x place you are having HCF. Like this also you can compare. This implies HCF is equal to 30. This implies HCF is equal to 30. Like this also you can compare. Am I clear regarding this? This is also very good model. Children who are little careful and all, till here they will perform. After that you will be stuck in here. Why? Because x you have to find, HCF you have to find. But you are having only one equation. There what step you have to do, that you have to be careful. That is regarding third question. Very important model. This is also important model. Why? Because from here onwards you will be getting little difficult. That you have to be careful. This is also important model. Next question. HCF of 65 and 117 is expressed as 65n minus 117. Find n. This is the question. Am I clear? That is the question. HCF of 65 and 117 is expressed as 65n minus 117. Find n. This is the question. See how it is expressed and all, that we don't want first. First what we want is, we have to find HCF of 65 and 117. First you find that HCF and make it equal to what we can express. Then you can find n value easily. Little different model but very easy problem only. First what you have to do is, you have to find HCF for 65 117. HCF for 65 117 is long division I am doing. 65 1 65. How much is left? 35 is left, 45, 52 is left. 52 is left, again 65, 1's 52. What is left? 13 is left, 52 is there. 13 4s are 52. You will be getting 0. Whenever you got 0 in the remainder, whatever it is here, that will be our HCF. This is basic thing only, everyone knows, right? So my HCF is 13. Then see what we have to do. 65n minus 117 is equal to 13. Am I clear? 65n minus 117 is equal to 13. This implies 65n is equal to 13 plus 117. This implies 65n is equal to 13 plus 117. This implies n is equal to 120, 130 by 65. 130 by 65. This implies n is equal to 2. 65 table, if you cancel out, 65 2s are 130 you will be getting. So n is equal to 2 you will be getting. Am I clear? I think it is clear, right? That is regarding fourth problem. All different models only I am telling. Which question will come in the exam, we also don't know. So that is the reason each and every model I am covering in this revision series. You please go through the questions what I am telling in this revision series, that is enough. Okay? 6, 12 and 13, 14. Next question is, find HCF of 6, 12 and 13, 14. See here twist is using prime factorization he told. Using prime factorization. This is the twist in the question. Normally long division, we are very good in doing long division for doing HCF. But here what they asked is using prime factorization they asked. So how to do using prime factorization? First you check what are the numbers which are divisible for the given number. That means you have to be very good with divisibility rules. Then only you can do prime factorization well. Divisibility rules are there that you have to be very good. See, starting with the question 612 I am writing 612. See, units place I am having even number. So that is the reason 2 will be divisible, right? So 2 table it will go. How many times it will go? 2 table it will go how many times? 2 into 306 times it will go. Correct or not? Again see. Again 2 table it will go. How many times it will go? 153 times, right? Correct? Next, units place you are not having 2. And what is divisibility rule for 3? Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. 1 plus 5 plus 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. So 3 into how much you will be getting? 51. Again sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So 3 into how many times? 17. 17 is prime number, so you can leave it here. So 612 can be written as 2 square into 3 square into 17. This is regarding 612. Clear? Next, 13, 14 is there. 13, 14. 13, 14 units digit is having 4. So 2 table it will go. How many times it will go? 6, 57. Correct? 657 times it will go. Correct or not? Then check. Add the digits, what you will get? 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 means 9. So 2 into 3 table it will go. 3 table. 2 times. 1 time. 9 times. Again 3 table it will go. Check. 3 table. 7 times. 3 table. 3 table 7 times and 3 table 3 times. Am I clear or not? 2 into 3 into 3 into 73. 73 is prime number or not, you tell me. 73. DD, BBC, BBC, VA. Let me see. From 70 to 80, you will be having 3 prime numbers. From 70 to 80, you will be having 3 prime numbers. What are 3 prime numbers from 70 to 80? I think 71 is prime. 73 is prime. 1, 3, 5, 7. 5, 7, 9. 79 is prime. These are the 3 prime numbers you will be having from 70 to 80. 3 prime numbers you will be having from 70 to 80. So 73 is prime number. So 1314 can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 power 2 into 73 power 1. How Clear or not? HCF they are asking. HCF of 612 comma 1314 is equal to common bases only you have to write. Wherever they are asking HCF, you have to write common bases only. What are the common bases here? 2 is the common base, 3 is the common base. So first you write 2, next you write 3. And afterwards, HCF they are asking means lowest power you have to write. HCF they are asking means lowest power. Lowest power you have to write. For 2 lowest power is 1 and for 3 lowest power is 2 only. So 9 into 2 that is 18 has to be your answer. HCF for this is 9 into 2 18 has to be your answer. Am I clear or not? See, if you are not good with prime numbers and all, when you got 73, you will be searching for in which table that 73 will be going and all. Next question is 5050 prime factorization they are asking. 5050 prime factorization they are asking. See, regarding prime numbers you have to be careful, or else you got 73 here, 73 3 table it won't go, 5 table it won't go, 7 table, 11 table, 13 table, 17 table, 19 table, like this you will check. Okay, that and all you have to be careful. If you know prime factors well, or else if you know prime numbers well, and if you know divisibility rules well, then only you can do prime factorization in a better way compared to other students who are doing competition for you. Okay, see the next one, 50-50 prime factorization I want. How to do prime factorization? See, 5050 is there. See, whenever 0 is there, first you eliminate that 0. How to eliminate that 0 is, instead of 0 I am writing 2 into 5 into 505. 0 means 10 only, right? Instead of 10 I can write it as 2 into 5. Am I clear? 2 into 5 into 505. Again 505 is there. That will be going in 5 table. So 5 into 101. See, 101 palindrome numbers are there means it will be divisible by 11, right or not? No, palindrome numbers are there means it will be divisible by 11, but here 101 is there, 0 is there in the middle, so you have to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. See, palindrome numbers means 1 to 1, 1, 2, 3 to 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to 1. This and all are divisible by 11. But here it is divisible by 11 or not, you check. 11 nines are 99. Correct? 2 will be the remainder. So it is not divisible. And again, 101 is there. 101 is there. 3 table it won't go. Any table it won't go. So, prime factorization for this is 2 power 1 into 5 power 2 into 101 power 1. This has to be the answer. Why? Because 101 is prime number. Why? Because 101 is prime number. Clear or not? This is regarding 6th question. Why this question is asked for prime factorization is, after getting 101, children will think how to get 101 as a factors and all. So there it will be difficult. So that is the reason prescribedly 550 is given as prime factors and all. Okay. And next step. Seventh question. Show that the numbers 231 and 396 are not co-primes. 231 and 396 are not co-primes. Show that the numbers 231 and 396 are not co-primes. Show that the numbers 231 and 396 are not co-primes. See how we will do this one is, to prove those two numbers are not co-primes, you have to find HCF. If you got HCF as 1, then they are co-primes. If you didn't got HCF as 1, then they are not co-primes. So find HCF for 231 and 396. How to find HCF? Long division you do. 231, 396. One time it will go. You will be getting 231. What will be the remainder? 165 has to be the remainder. Correct or not? 396, 165 will be the remainder, and 231. Again one time, 165, 35 and 31. So 66 will be 35 here and 31 there. So 66 will be, and again 165 here. 65, 66 twos, 132. We will be left with 33, right? 66 is there. So 33 twos, 66. You will be getting 0. If you got 0, what is here? That will be your HCF. What you have to write last statement? HCF of 231 comma 396 is equal to 33. Therefore 231 comma 396 are not co-primes. This you have to write. If they are asking to prove co-primes and all, try doing HCF. If HCF is equal to 1, they are co-primes. If HCF is not equal to 1, they are not co-primes. That's all. Am I clear regarding this? Clear or not? This is regarding 7th problem. Next problem, see 8th problem. A plus B is equal to 1215 comma HCF of A comma B is equal to something is given. 81 possible number of pairs. 81 comma possible pairs. They are asking. See, whenever pairs question is there, that is very, very important. Whenever possible number of pairs question is there, that is very, very important. That you have to be careful. Okay? See how to do, tell me. First see what is given. I am continuing with this one. HCF of A comma B is given as 81. Correct or not? HCF of A comma B is given as 81. So how to write that one HCF? See, A is equal to 81x, comma, B is equal to 81y, bracket, x comma y are co-primes. A is equal to 81x, B is equal to 81y, in bracket, x comma y are co-primes. A plus B is equal to 1215. This implies 81x plus 81y is equal to 1215. This implies what you will get? 81 is common. X plus y into 81 is equal to 1215. This implies x plus y is equal to 1215 by 81. This implies x plus y is equal to how much you will be getting? 81 table it will go or not? 81 tens is 810. 81 tens is 810. And what is remaining? 215 is remaining. Here 190 is remaining. 215 and 190. So 405. 405. 5 is 81. 5 is how much? 5 ones are 5. 8 5 is 40. So 415. 5 ones are 5. This is 405. This is 0. 5 1 12. So see, 81 14s. Sorry, 81 15s you check, you will be getting the answer. 81 15s, 81 15s is 1215. If you want, you multiply and check. So x plus y I got as 1215. Till here, if this kind of problem is given, till here 90% of the students will do. And after that, what to do and how to keep the options and all is very important. Till here 90% of the students will do. And after that, see, 15 is there. What are chances for 15 you see? 15 means 1 and 14, correct? Next 2 and 13, correct? Next 3 and 12, next 4. What is there? 4. 4 and 11. Next. Next what will be there? 5 and 10. Next. 6 and 9. Next. 7 and 8. Next. Anything is there? No, till here only it is there, right? Right or not? How many you got? 1 and 14, 2 and 13, 3 and 12, 4 and 11, 5 and 10, 6 and 9, 7 and 8. That means 3, 3, 6 you got. If 6 is there in the option, that also you will be keeping. Then also you will be getting wrong. Why? Because see the condition here, x and y are co-primes. See the condition here, x and y are co-primes. If x and y are co-primes, common factor should not be there. This is eliminated and this is eliminated and this is also eliminated. Am I clear? Those who are having mathematical skills only, this step also they will do. And after that, therefore, what is answer? 4 pairs will be there. 4 pairs will be there. Therefore, 4 pairs will be there. That will be the answer. Very, very important question. Very, very important question that you have to keep in mind. I already told you, those who are good in math, they will be doing till here. Those who are Those who are good in math, they will be doing till x plus y is equal to 15. Those who are very good in math, they will be doing till here. That means 6, 3, 3, 6, 7. 7 pairs you got, those pairs they will write. Those who are excellent in math and all, they only will perform that x and y are co-primes. Then that 3 has to be eliminated, and so 4 pairs has to be there. Those who are excellent in math only, they will be getting this kind of answer. Every answers will be there. 7 answer also will be there. 4 answer also will be there. 6 answer also will be there. Everything will be there in the option. Like that they will be confusing you. That you have to be careful. Clear? Next question, 9th question. LCM of two prime numbers. LCM of two prime numbers. LCM of two prime numbers P and Q. LCM of two prime numbers P and Q. In bracket P is greater than Q is 221. Is 221. Find the value of 3p minus q. Find 3p minus q. This value you have to find. This is the next question. This is also different model. This is also different model. Whatever questions I am covering in revision series, you please practice that questions. I am telling you 95% above questions will be from this only. Every chapter I am telling, not only this chapter. Every chapter, if you plan for doing each and every question of my revision series, I am telling you clearly, above 95% of the marks you will be getting. That means above 74 or above 76 you will be getting, and remaining marks and all I cannot say, or else 80 out of 80 marks also you will be getting. That and all I cannot say, but minimum 70 above marks you will be getting. That I can assure you. See, LCM of two prime numbers is 221. Find 3p minus q is the question. See, 221. How to write 221 in prime factorization? 221, if you see, 2 table it won't go, 3 table it won't go, 7 table it won't go, 11 table it won't go, 13 table it will go. See, 13 ones are 13, and after that what you will get? 13 sevens are 91. So 221 can be written as 13 into 7, and this condition is given. See, so P is greater than, so P is 17 and Q has to be 13. What they are asking? They are asking 3P minus Q, that is equal to 3 into what is P? 17 minus Q is what? 13. So 17 3s is 51 minus 13. What you will get? 50 minus 13 is how much? 37, right? 51 minus 13 is 38. Correct or not? 38. So this has to be your answer. 3p minus q is 38. That has to be your answer. Am I clear or not? And regarding another question, I think only word problems is there. Only word problems I left in LCM and HCF, and some miscellaneous problems are there. Those two we will be covering in the next video. In this video, only one question I will be telling you, that you see. Minus 1 whole power n plus 1 power n is equal to 0. Find n. Minus 1 whole power n plus 1 power n is equal to 0. Find n. This is the question given. Tell me how to find n. See, if this kind of generalized questions is given, the idea of doing is 1 power anything is how much? 1, right or not? 1 power anything is 1. So this is 1 is equal to 0 has to come. Correct? How much I have to add to 1 to get 0? Are you following me or not? That means how much I have to add to 1 to get 0. That means something I have to add to 1 to get 0. That something has to be, if I add minus 1 plus 1 will be 0, right? That something has to be minus 1, right or not? So minus 1 whole power n. Minus 1 whole power n has to be minus 1. Minus 1 whole power n has to be minus 1. When it will be minus 1? See, n is equal to 1 I will be keeping. Minus 1 I got. N is equal to 2 plus 1 I got. N is equal to 3 minus 1. N is equal to 4 plus 1. So for every n is odd number. That means for every odd number, this will be satisfying. For every odd number, this will be satisfying. Am I clear regarding this? I hope you learn something from this video. If you learn something from this video, you please subscribe to my channel Math Murali and hit the bell button which is beside that, and hit the like button also. If you are having any doubt, please comment, and if you are having any good suggestions and all, sir, this question we can do like this also, that is the better way and this is the better approach, or any suggestions is there, that also I am very good and very free to accept that. Okay, please like the video. Thank you each and everyone.